Hey guys, Chris here from Security Bros, back with another review video, and today we're taking a closer look at the Tapo 2K dual lens security camera C645D kit. Is it any good? Let's find out. So what we got here is a battery powered security camera with a solar panel that uses two lenses to record video, so you get one video file from each lens. The top lens is a fixed wide angle lens, while the lower lens is a pan and tilt with a bit more zoomed in field of view. Unlike some other cameras that I've tested, this one does not require any cloud subscription for smart detections like people, vehicles and pets. All you need is a micro SD card. The camera supports auto tracking and something called synchronized smart tracking, which means when the fixed camera detects motion, it will start to track until the object is out of view, and I think it worked just fine, but it does get blurry when tracking. Image quality might not be the best, but I think for a battery-powered security camera it's acceptable. At night it can record in black and white using the infrared lights or full color night vision using the built-in spotlights. This camera allows you to set trigger times and how long you want it to record for when it detects motion, and the longest is 120 seconds. It also have a feature called 24/7 capture, which means the camera takes a series of images at regular intervals and automatically record when motion is detected. Overall build quality is very good. It's all made of plastic but doesn't feel cheap, and you can adjust the fixed lens 20 degrees vertically, which should be enough for most locations. And for full transparency to you guys, this camera was sent to me for a review, but any opinions in this video is strictly my own based on my experiences testing this camera out. And if you're interested in buying one, you will find my affiliate links in the video description with the most updated prices. So both lenses uses a 3 megapixel sensor that records in 2304 by 1296 at 15 frames per second. The fixed lens uses a 2.5mm lens with 165 degrees field of view, while the pan and tilt lens uses a 6mm at a 65.5 degrees viewing angle. The camera supports person, vehicle and pet detection, and I think it worked just fine. This camera works with a Tapo app, and when the camera detects motion, it will start to record and send you an instant push notification. You can then view the recordings directly in the app from playback, saved on the micro SD card, and it supports up to 512GB micro SD card. It supports two-way audio, so you can talk and listen through the camera, and it also has a loud siren to scare away any intruders. And the camera is made for outdoor use with an IP65 rating, which means it should be weatherproof. To connect to the camera is really easy. Just download and install the Tapo app and turn on the camera and tap on the plus icon to add a new device and follow the on-screen instructions. When you are connected, this is how it looks like. So here on the top we got the pan and tilt lens, and below is the fixed lens. You can press single view if you want to view one lens at a time. So what we got here is take a snapshot, record video, volume, call, talk, pan and tilt, alarm on and off, privacy mode, single view, light, tag off and tap care. To access the camera settings we tap up here in the right corner. I will quickly just show you all the settings, and if it's too fast you can always pause the video at any time. Alright, let's have a look at some recordings. Here we got daytime, and this is with auto tracking turned on. The small images from the fixed lens. This is the same recording but opposite, so the big screen is the fixed lens and the small is the pan and tilt. Here we have night vision with infrared lights, and this is with a fixed lens. And this is with a pan and tilt lens with auto tracking. And some recordings in full color using the built-in spotlights.